it again. So today we're in the city of Eastville for the Eastville Classics car show. This is held every third Thursday of the month. Goddamn alarm. This is held every third Thursday of the month. It's off the street Habner. Pontiac Firebird. Pretty nice. 79. $67. So I had to hit this car show because supposedly the forecast shows that there's going to be rain this weekend. So I already seen a couple shows canceled due to the rain, but living in California, you never know. It could be rainy for like the first couple hours in the morning, then clear up, but you never know with the weather. '67 V-Dub.
Yeah.
A Feed Me V-Dub, 1960.
Oh, this one is for sure.
Got that little vent window in the back.
No Blazer, GMC. It's a Jimmy. Paint job on that is actually quite nice. Damn. Cherry looking pretty good too. There's the back ends on those. Square body. This Blazer. I like that baby blue look on the 75. This Chevelle Super Sport, shit's really nice. I like that color. That's something I would want to own. That's all American muscle. I like that convertible VW. Reminds me of the movie Born in East LA. In the beginning, that fool has a convertible VW. She was pretty tight. This El Camino, loving that. It's pretty nice. Yeah, the
wings?
fins. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's my favorite part of it. Tail lights are amazing on that
Everything,
too.
man.
Yeah.
I love this. I love the Apollo, man. And it's a bubble window too.
Yeah.
It's not a straight one. It's called the bubble.
Inside looks pretty
Oh,
nice.
it's clean inside.
Yeah, it looks pretty all original.
That right there is so expensive. Though.
Did you hear about the guy in Apollo that got stolen from yeah, just had bought it and then 2 days before his birthday they stole it. Yeah, he paid $100,000 for it. Well, it wouldn't start, so they tried to like start the battery, and you can see in the video, and they overblow themselves up because the two things did, and then they couldn't get the start, so the guy that was with them was in another car. They were yelling at the guy behind them, "No, push us, push us." So they pushed the car all safe wherever they went. Yeah, they still haven't found the car yet.
No, they're not gonna find it. This chopped up somewhere in Mexico.
What?
There's another convertible Apollo right there.
Oh yeah, there's so many.
Oh, look at that one right there too. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hey, how's that the Corona brick? Because I was gonna go through that. Is it? That's off of what Lincoln. Oh, Circus Drive.
Right now, I'll just take
That's the Corona one, right? Is it the high top?
2016.
Mercedes?
Yeah, that's my.
How do you like it?
It's good. It's an AMG.
I noticed it. It's really nice. I got a, what is it, 2015 E-Class.
There you go.
But she wants an
want an
SUV, so.
Yeah, no, I just ordered the S580,
Oh, okay.
the new ones.
Oh.
It's a smaller.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What color did you get it?
I
Same
got,
color?
no, I got it like that kind of like color,
Oh, okay.
and I put red interior in it.
Oh, nice. That's awesome.
That's when I get it. I'm gonna throw some 22s on it, and then I'm just gonna lower it just a little bit.
That's awesome. Oh, yeah.
And then I have a CLS too. You know,
Nice.
that's been always, I got that a long time ago, but that's always been my same color too, same gray color. I'm a gray guy. Yeah, I just like the clean look.
Yeah, it has a really, especially with the rims you got on it, it has a really nice.
I threw some 24s on it. For, 24 Santis.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, yeah.
And then I keep it clean too. Everything's real like,
Oh, yeah. Nice.
you know.
Oh, yeah.
So I
Look
just-
at that.
I just keep it really clean, you know. And then I make sure my daughters, and hey, put your bags. Yeah, just keep it. I've had it for a long time, you know.
Loving the rims too. Gives a nice
And then
touch to it.
I bought this so that I can.
Oh yeah, perfect.
So when I go camping or put some
Yes.
stuff on there,
Hides everything.
it hides everything. And then I just keep it clean like that, you know.
Now, I noticed when you had the lights, the projector, did you add those on? Or
you
did it
seen-
come?
Oh,
Yeah.
you seen that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no. It comes with the AMG package.
Oh, okay.
So look, it's right here. There's a look right there, bro.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah. So it comes like so. At night it's pretty legit with it's dark.
Yeah.
It just
It
says
helps you see at night. You're not
Yeah.
and it says Mercedes on it, and then I just close it in there.
Oh yeah, I'm loving
And then I
it.
like it because it has a camera in the back, and it has a camera in the front.
Oh, does yours have the 360?
Yes.
Oh, I
So like it's like a satellite.
yeah,
or something, like-
exactly.
so I can see like
Yeah, all the way
all of it on
around.
my screen.
Yeah, mine does the same
And
thing.
I'm like, what the hell? How did that happen?
Yeah, that's pretty crazy how it
And
does
then
that.
It has a camera right here too.
Yeah,
It has a camera right here
That-
and a camera on that side.
that's pretty awesome.
So,
Yeah, it's pretty amazing how they have it. Because my Mercedes, that's my first Mercedes, and
Okay.
when I seen that, and I was pretty amazed. Then after it also does it's self-parallel park.
yeah.
I was pretty amazed about that. I was like, wow, that's pretty crazy.
And another thing what I like though too, before I even knew, when I back up, my mirrors go down
Oh,
so that I can see the
yeah, the curb side.
curves. It did it automatically. What the hell happened? It did it by itself.
That's
Come
pretty
to find
cool.
out, every time I hit reverse, the mirrors would, these ones right here, they fold down.
That's awesome.
So, yeah, and then we.
That's my YouTube channel.
Oh, you do, bro? You got
Yeah,
YouTube?
I'm actually recording right now.
Oh,
so.
okay. Yeah, I'm gonna look at it, bro.
Yeah, I'll be posting it up in probably like about a week or
Oh,
so.
you got a lot of videos
Yeah.
right here. You got a lot of
Yeah.
a lot of stuff right here. Yeah. No, but,
2016 on this. This is loving it. Did you tint the front too?
you can tell,
That's
huh?
nice. Yeah.
It just-
Oh,
I cleaned it. I tinted the front too.
yeah. It has a really.
You can-
Yeah, you can tell. I mean, for someone that like pays attention, you can tell the difference.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks really clean.
I just cleaned it up, you know.
Loving
And
it.
then those are actually the original AMG
The wraps on it.
roof racks. Yeah.
Nice.
Just those alone, probably like a couple grand just for those.
Yeah.
Just for those. You know?
Oh yeah, yeah. Because mine has the hooks for it too, but I think if I were to add some for any reason, I'd probably just go with the original.
Yeah, go with the original.
Yeah, it always would be best.
Yeah. But the good thing is that we're a Mercedes family, so they're good cars, bro.
Oh yeah,
Good cars.
yeah. I
you know?
can't complain. I love it.
You know?
I love my car.
Good cars, and I try to keep the engine clean. I don't know how clean it is now, but let me see.
Oh, let's see, there's a better view of has a nice
yeah.
clean view.
Yeah. But I always try to keep it clean too.
Oh
kinda-
yeah, that's
That's really clean.
yeah. It's like brand new, dude.
Let's see here. See? I just try to keep it clean, you know?
Oh yeah.
I clean it myself.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I need to come back in here and clean it again. But there's just stuff that I see that, you know.
Oh
'cause
yeah.
if I take care of it, it's not gonna. My wife drives it, you know. So I drive my other car. But I'll look at your YouTube channel, man.
Yeah,
What
for
was your
sure.
name?
Jonathan.
What?
Jonathan.
Jonathan Zeke.
Nice meeting you.
Krista.
Krista, awesome. Yeah, you guys live around here?
Yeah, we stay in Riverside.
Oh, Riverside.
Yeah.
Where at?
Kind of Mount Rubidoux. You know where that's at?
I used to fight fires on that Mount Rubidoux for over 15 years. I was a firefighter for
Oh,
Riverside
really?
County.
Okay, yeah, we're
Yeah.
like 2 blocks from there.
Yeah, I fought. I went to. I was stationed right off of Station 1 by Mission Inn.
Oh, okay.
You know, there's a fire station right
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
I was
yeah.
stationed there for 10 years, and then San Diego for another 5 years.
Oh, wow.
But I have a lot of. I went to North High School in Riverside.
Oh, okay.
That's that. But I fought fires in Mount Rubidoux for many years, man.
Awesome,
Yeah,
dude.
yeah.
We appreciate the service.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You know. But yeah, I'll look at it,
Awesome.
guys. Look at it, man.
Thank you. Thank you for
guys be
sharing.
good. No,
Take
for
care.
sure. Okay, you too.
After begging the invitation
But that was awesome. I enjoy people that like to share and show off their car. But yeah, that Mercedes for sure. I was loving that. But we'll go ahead and get back into it. See what we see meanwhile. It's so cute. Riverside Car Club. Yeah. The rag top. Pretty nice. Yeah, I'm starting to get dry mouth too.
Some like a smoker right now.
This content Continental. Fat ass white walls on that. Las Ratas. That's pretty cool.
Ford wasn't coming before Chevy. Ford came out with the V8 before Chevy.
God damn, look at
Ford
this.
came out with the pony car before Chevy. You know, that's how
That
it is.
truck. This is
Yeah,
nice.
but,
Look at the paint job on this. Pinstriping.
because they tried to.
Oh yeah. Pretty awesome.
Ferrari wanted. It was Ferrari working with Ford, so they didn't want to give it to the Americans. So the Americans didn't want to buy it, and they didn't. Europeans didn't want the American capital. So they were. That was his way of getting a better product. Raise the price. He picked on, for the
68 pickup. Camaro is nice.
Put a car together.
Oh, this is my Hot 54. I don't know if you can see, but there's little ghost line flames along there, along the fender side. I don't know if you can see, but that shit looks pretty nice.
No,
I always got to be hitting all these shells.
I just did this video right now.
Oh, yeah?
I'm doing shorts right now.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. This one's alright. Eh?
Yeah, I haven't hit this. I did this one last year, but I know that supposedly it's gonna rain this weekend.
Yeah. Are you gonna go to Alanto? I'm not gonna go, bro. It's gonna fucking rain. It's gonna fucking rain. They're postponing all the car shows right now. Sunday,
Yeah,
shit.
that's what I noticed.
You don't go to Whittier. Yeah. You don't go to
I
Whittier.
haven't been there, dude. I wanted to
cracking,
go
but
the
you-
first night, the first day.
I
they
was
opened it.
cracking the first day.
Yeah, I heard. I seen all kinds of videos. All kinds of people were out there.
Yeah, everybody was. I went this week again. Eh?
That was actually cracking.
It was cracking. It cracks every day. It's gonna be cracking forever. Eh? They were up in the boulevard. They tried to put Main Street. I remember Main Street, Riverside. That was bad.
I seen that they're gonna.
You been there
start-
before?
Nah, dude.
Yeah.
I haven't been to the one out here. Supposedly Fontana's gonna be doing one too. I
Oh,
think.
that's a while back, but I'm not. These guys are doing it like on March and April. You do it right now. It's
Yeah.
open. Eh? That's a lot, but it's cold. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's not packed in winter how it was last year, but it was cold. A lot of people in the show a little bit. It's all right though.
Hopefully it doesn't.
Go next week in Anaheim. You're gonna go to Orange County, huh?
Nah, I hardly ever go to that area.
Yeah, or it's gonna be one in Anaheim Boulevard and one back on Main Street. in
It's
Santa Ana.
always I see that there's a lot always over there. Bristol, huh?
Yeah, I'm from out there from Orange County.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To me, I think it's just too much of a mission for me to go
You
out
go there.
there.
Where you live at?
It's out here,
Where?
out here in Riverside.
Oh, you live in Riverside? I thought you lived out here in Monte.
Well, I stay out there too, but
Yeah.
right now I'm out here just because I'm working and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just I'll probably next week over there, but tomorrow I'll be probably in Santa Ana. Or Saturday I'll be in Santa Ana. Friday, I don't know what's happening Friday. There's all kinds of car shows.
Yeah.
You know? But I'll be out there in Santa Ana, and Sunday I'll be out there in Urbandale, or I don't know. I don't know. I'm not going to Atlanta.
Yeah, that's too much of a mission too.
Yeah.
If anything, I'll probably just try to hit Whittier, but I don't know. I usually try to write everything down.
Yeah.
Because there's just too many shows and shit.
So
But,
many shows, huh?
yeah. So.
You been to
I
the
don't know.
takeover? Yeah, huh?
The one in Anaheim?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did that one last year.
Yeah.
Is that one coming up or what?
Yeah, it's coming up.
'Cause
Yeah.
I know the Long Beach one is coming up too
Which
in
one?
March.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think it's March 9th.
Yeah, I go to the Boulevard off and on. It's cracking over there, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna put Eastville. What is it? Eastville Cruise Nights.
Yeah. Well, I'll catch up with you, though.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that one too right now. That green one.
Yeah, for sure.
I'll pull up my video right now.
Yeah, for sure. Good looking at. You going to go live or what?
Hey, no, I'm doing. Is shorts are good or what? Shorts?
I don't know. A lot of people do shorts. I mean, sometimes my shorts hit, dude, and sometimes they don't.
They hit a lot of mine, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, fucking bunch of them jumped in, eh?
I don't know. I don't know how good the pay is on the shorts, though.
What? How much it pay?
Yeah, I don't know. That's why I hardly do shorts. I usually just get paid off my videos.
Yeah. Have you talked to Annalise Beats?
Nah, I never even met that fella.
Oh, you seen him before?
I've seen him before, but I've never met that fella.
Oh yeah.
The only the only person I really met is LA Confidential.
Oh, he's
That's
cool.
it. Yeah, that was cool peeps.
Yeah, he's cool. I talk to him all the time. I see him on Whittier, and Annalise was over there.
Yeah, last time I caught him in Pasadena. Then after the first time I met him was actually in Vegas.
Oh, you seen him over there?
Yeah. But,
all right, I'll do this.
all right, take it easy. Sorry, got caught up again. That's the only problem is running into people you know, or getting caught up with someone that you're having an interview with or start talking with. But it's always good running into people you know and people that are willing to display their cars, talk about them. Not a lot of people are willing to actually jump on camera and talk about their cars. Some people are just camera shy too. So, but yeah, my main reason coming to this one was just because didn't know if it's gonna rain this weekend. So yeah, a lot of I love that truck. That's the type of truck my dad used to have. Yeah. No. Well, when I was small, he had one of those. Then when I got older, just like several years ago, is when he had the bomb, and that's the one I wanted. But he traded the bomb for the Gran Torino for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, I came out here last year, March. I did this show. Can't remember if the video did good or not, but thought I'd come back and see what we see, just because I know the lighting here is good. It's Boulevard Chucos. Oh yeah. Color on that is just pretty nice. Oh yeah. That's pretty cool. Damn, those Rams. Oh, the silver. This shit's really nice for sure.
That car put the EV skid on it, you can't get it ever back out, right? It's all negative tamper. I'm buying the like car.
Oh,
So this is what I had to do this month. I had my wife's Mercedes, I had my Corvette, I had my son's Camry, and I have my daughter's cars due next month, and my C10. 5 cars. $1,500.
Why'd you buy all those cars at the same time?
God damn.
All in the same month?
January and February. I'm telling you that is just like
I'll look through when I go home. I actually have a page I follow on Facebook.
I've seen some like porn or something.
Yeah, that's what
Oh my
and
gosh.
just the way they overlap it, and it's all
also saying about how he bought them all nearly in like the same month. So the registration is all due on the fucking same month. So imagine, I know how it feels. I got the Mercedes, the Toyota, the motorcycle bill, all those registrations. So look at this Mustang, that shit was pretty tight. Like them stripes going down that. Them rims look pretty sick on that. We skipped this Model T. But yeah, look at that. Looking fresh in there.
Bro, this is...
Damn it. I was like, I should have bought my car.
I like the truck.
I know that's just pretty bad.
I should have bought the Hello Kitty one.
It's still like a 35.
350.
I was, it runs. It'll start up and run, but it sucks because the car needs to be, it's got a quadrillion, it has all the smog stuff.
Blazer. Huh? Well, from where? Mod Pizza. Oh, this one, 3100. Damn, that shit's fast. Look at that shit. Trouble. Fuck yeah. That's trouble for sure. Mach 1. It's a 69. The number on that is 909-204-1802. Look at this. Oh yeah, that's nice. Paint job on that. I wonder how much they want.
Así como que traiga todavía donde jala corriendo bien, sí. Y ya la otra no, pues a la otra le tengo ya, tiene el flag, esa madre de flag que le da las. Tengo este lo trae acá,
Oh. That is clean. C10.
There's a good amount of Impalas in here today. Huh. Yeah.
Damn, that is slammed to the floor.
that one up too for the guys. Yeah, you did. Yeah, so pretty cool. Oh, man. That's hard on the sand, though. You're driving hard. Yeah, she's right there in the truck. That is yours, huh? Oh, that. You know, the baby's in the back seat. I saw this and I was like, oh, maybe then. Oh, yeah. I won't go to Glamis because I'll be building something stupid. No, you ain't dragging me. Everyone, come on, let's go.
No. Yeah. But it's like, it'd be my luck that something like that would happen, you know?
I got my hands full with this. Like, I don't need another one of these laying around. Sometimes I start adding stuff up.
TJ's Car Club.
Now they're up there, man. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, selling it now. It's nice.
Right over there.
Oh, yeah, I think so. It's pretty nice though. I like it.
Drive your shit. That's what we do, man.
I think I'm just gonna make it a challenge for you guys in the track, man. 'Cause like, this is so badass, man. The story behind it, right?
Yeah.
I know too, like another box that we're doing.
wrapped in the inside.
But like a newer one.
Yeah, let's say with that.
All scooped up.
Yeah. I'll tell you a cool story.
Oh, it's even all cut out.
That's Grand Marquis. Is that his?
Yeah.
I'm driving on the highway, and in front of me there's a big semi. And keep in mind, we have walkie-talkies because we're with the whole caravans, a lot of C10s all over the road. So we're driving down the road, and there's this big old semi truck in the front, and this bird hit the side of the semi truck, and I got it on the highway.
Look at that laser. I think we just need to catch those cars over there and that's it. Well, we can go to Flying J. Look at that. Dang. That one's pretty crazy. I don't know. I think it might have been a Jimmy.
Yeah.
I'll give you my wheels if you give me your motor.
And then if you want
Yeah, I'm still gonna drive back to LA, which is another 40 minutes drive. She's all scared to pull out. Everyone's on at a standstill because
Gonna be a while.
right? I know. What's up with all that? Oh, come on. She's scared. Look at this. Oh. Damn, look at this. Cars already just lining up and shit. It's like, you made it. Oh. Go that way, it's a traffic jam. Everyone's gonna... There's no way out there. Ah, shit, she's looking to the drive-thru. I'm telling you, there's no way out there. People are coming this way.
Keep going, keep going.
Check it out. She still hasn't even left. She's still here struggling. Thank you. 20 minutes later. Damn. Trans Am. Crazy.
Hey! Who authorized this? I saw you
Was anybody holding it?
A couple more cars have pulled up.
Either 66 or 67. I didn't really get to check it. Watch out, man.
So I don't think there's much of a difference other than the star emblem that's on the fender will either say 50. I'm pretty sure that most of them have a number on there. If not, there's like a really different.
63 custom.
I have seen that. I don't know if that's stock. But like it says Apache and like 58 on it. But I think there's just a little bit difference in like the shape of it. Yes. All the body parts from the firewall back, 55.
That paint job on that is really nice.
When you order them on the catalog and stuff. So the 55, 56 have the same front clip, 57 its own.
Mama, look at that car.
Better look at this one. Want to check out the back just because I didn't get a chance to earlier. There's quite a bit of people around here.
But if you need something done, Robert, there you go.
Have fun, dude. I'm out.
I got good.
This is why Val wants to go to Planet Fitness. Because with the black card, you get tanned.
Pac-Man 63.
I gotta show you something I did in the car, man.
Oh, hold on. You got beer?
Boulevard Trucos. It's pretty nice. Look at the top. Oh yeah, that's just clean. I'll show you what the hell's going on over there. Because I hear a lot of bags going off.
Well, they're both back.
Damn, I love this color too.
Yeah, the lights are green too.
Yeah, badass. This one's nice too.
Why you yelling at me like I'm a weather lady? I'm a baker. I'm not a weather lady.
That's the camera. Come on.
pretty much it. A lot of cars are already starting to roll out. So that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope everyone has enjoyed. Appreciate the time that everyone takes to watch. Hopefully I can upload this sooner than later, because lately I've been taking a little while to upload stuff. Just always busy. But as always, there's always too much to see. Appreciate y'all.